Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram, and this is our first class in DBMS placements and SQL practice playlist. And in this playlist, we are going to discuss all the questions which are frequently, model questions which are frequently asked in placement exams and in campus drives, like for the companies like Wipro, Infosys, CTS, Accenture, IBM. So the service based companies, the questions which are asked for the service based companies which are frequently asked, and the models which are frequently asked, so those type of questions are we are going to discuss in this playlist. So try to focus more and try to get the more out of this playlist so that you can easily attempt your campus placement drives. So let's start our first question, and this is a placement model question, and the question states that this is the table that is given, and now this table, based upon this table, this question is asked. The question states that A and B are given with the requirement. So A and B are the two people, they are given with the requirement to retrieve the account details. We have to retrieve the account details, and this is the details of the accounts of the customers. See here, by seeing these values, we can understand that these details are the details of the bank account details, and we have to retrieve the account details and sort details. So the display of those account details has to be sorted according to location alphabetically. So what it is stating is we have to sort the details according to the location. According to this column, we have to display it, and it has to be displayed alphabetically. In the sense, it states that A, B, C, D. The location which start with A has to be on the top, and next B, next C, next D. In that order, the values are to be displayed, and in decreasing order of the amount, and based on locations are to be alphabetically arranged, and the amount has to be displayed in the decreasing order of the amount. So these amounts are to be displayed in the decreasing order. So first, the preference has to be given for location, and based upon the output within those values of the location, the amounts are to be displayed in the decreasing order. So what it states is, first Bangalore. So according to these values of the location, first Bangalore will get displayed. So two accounts in Bangalore are there, and after that Delhi will be there. Two locations, two accounts in the Delhi location are there, and after that Mysore will get displayed. And now this way the locations are to be there, and the next requirement is, and the decreasing order of amount. So now within these locations, the amounts are to be displayed in the decreasing order. That is what the question. See, a decreasing order of the amount in each account of that location. In each account, try to understand this question. This part of the question is very important to understand. In each account of that location, see here, in each account of that location, the amount has to be in the decreasing order. The amount has to be in the decreasing order. So to do that, the amount has to be in the decreasing order means, so within this location, and these locations are to be arranged in the alphabetic order, and within that location the amounts are to be in the decreasing order, which means that this one has to be on the top, and after that 79,000 should be there, and within Delhi it has to be this one will be on the top, and after that 73,000 will be there, and for Mysore it is this is the only value is there, so this one will be displayed in this way. So this is how they are expecting the output to be. Okay, so for A has written the query in this way. The query written by A and B has already provided in the question. The query states that, the query which was written by A states that, So the query which is written by A states that select customer number. So all these columns are there, all the columns are there from account, okay, order by location in ascending order, order by location in ascending order, amount by descending order. So what it states is we have to arrange first we have to arrange the values, arrange the accounts in the with respect to the location in the ascending order. Means Bangalore will get displayed, and after that Bangalore will get displayed, and based upon the amount in the decreasing order, based upon the amount in the decreasing order, which means that within this Bangalore this one has to be in the top, and after that it has to be decreasing order, means this one will get displayed. So based upon the location, it has to be in the ascending order. Means ascending order means for alphabets it is A, B, C, D. Descending order means Z, Y, X. So this is how the things will get displayed. And now based upon the amount, it has to be in the descending order. As they are arranged based upon the location, first they will get arranged based upon the location in the ascending order, and within those locations the amounts will get displayed in the descending order. So this is the right option, and now we have to check whether this is also the right option or not. So what the question states is neither A or B. Option states is both A and B, only B and only A. So all possibilities are there. So we have to check which one is the right option. So for that to happen, we have to check the B's query also. So the B's query states that all the columns are there. Okay, fine. From account, okay, order by 5. So what is this? So far we haven't discussed. So the entire course of DBMS is already there with more than 150 videos. So in that entire course we have never seen this kind of query where the numbers are provided without the values of without the names of the columns. So this is the fifth column. So this kind of numbering for the columns is accepted in SQL. Okay, so fifth column in decreasing order and fourth column in ascending order. Decreasing order in the sense descending order, and fourth column in the ascending order. So fifth column is amount and fifth column is amount and fourth column is location. So now based upon this, what they are stating, what the query states is all the amount should be in the decreasing order. So the first one is going to be this one, and second one value is going to be this one, because the values are to be arranged in the decreasing order. It has to be arranged. So this one will get satisfied first, this one will get will be arranged first, and after that 79,000, and after that 73,000. Now the values will be in the ascending order. So it states that, so it does not have any option, so it has to be in this way. Okay, Delhi, and this one is for Bangalore, it will be, and this one will be Mysore. So the things has to be arranged, the preference, the order in which the order by is given is fifth column is given the first preference. So these values will be descending, these values will be arranged in the descending order, and after that based upon these values, the descending order of these values has to be displayed. So the 25 for this value, the location is Delhi, it has to be here, and for this value the location has to be Bangalore, and for this value this is Mysore, and for this value this is Bangalore again. Okay, Bangalore again, and for this value it is going to be Delhi. Okay, so this is how the things will get arranged for this query. See here, the fifth column has been given, and after that now based upon this arrangement, these arrangements will be done in the ascending order. If possible it is going to do, if not it cannot do anything. But in this case in this case, in this first query's case, we have fulfilled the requirement. The requirement that is given is fulfilled by the first query, but it is not fulfilled by the B's query. A's query is right and B's query is wrong. So the right option is only A. Only A will get satisfied. Let's try to execute this on our machine. We have created our the same database has been created, table has been created. Now the same query is used. Let's check the output. See the output. So within this location, the amounts are arranged in the decreasing order and the locations are arranged in the ascending order, in the alphabetic order. And let's check the next the other query, which is this one. Okay, so here amount is not there. This amount is the, we have to arrange, okay, amount, and here we have to give 4. Okay, so 4 means it is location. Okay, so now see here, this is not the output that we are expecting. So for the B's query, the output is the amount values are in the decreasing order, and for this order the values are going to be this, right? So this is not getting satisfied. The question that is asked is, let's see the question. So decreasing order of the amount in each account of that location, for that to happen, the location should be arranged in the ascending order first, and after that the amount has to be arranged in the decreasing order. Okay, so the right option is only A. Only A is the right option. Okay, hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.